Hey there. So, how much do you really know about animals? Because I've got news for you. A lot of what we've been told is flat out wrong. Like not just a little off. We're talking total myth territory. Today we're diving into some of the most popular animal myths that people still believe. And trust me, some of these will blow your mind. Myth 1. Ostriches bury their heads in the sand. Let's kick it off with the classic. Ostriches bury their heads in the sand when they're scared. Nope, not even close. Ostriches are fast, like 40 miles per hour fast, and if they're scared, they're out of there. But when they feel threatened and can't run, they might drop to the ground and stretch their necks out flat to blend in with the surroundings. From a distance, it might look like their heads are in the sand, but really, they're just going full ninja mode. Myth 2. Bats are blind. Bats are blind. Another classic myth. And yet, not a single bat species is actually blind. Most bats have pretty decent eyesight, and some even have better night vision than humans. Sure, they use echolocation to navigate in the dark, but that's like saying you use your GPS, so you must be blind. Come on, bats are multitasking kings. Myth 3. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Ah yes, the poor goldfish, supposedly cursed with the memory of a wet sponge. Goldfish only remember things for 3 seconds. Yeah, false. Studies have shown that goldfish can remember things for weeks and even learn tricks like recognizing their owner or pressing a lever for food. They're not little aquatic Einsteins or anything, but give them some credit. They're smarter than they look. Myth 4. Touching a baby bird will make the mother abandon it. Okay, this one's more about guilt than science. If you touch a baby bird, the mother will abandon it. Nope. Birds actually have a terrible sense of smell. They're not gonna detect your human scent and go, "Ugh, Kevin was here. I'm out." If you find a baby bird out of its nest, you can carefully return it. Mama bird's not going to disown it like a bad soap opera plot twist. Myth 5. Dogs sweat through their tongues. Hot dogs, not the food, the actual animals. Ever heard this one? Dogs sweat through their tongues. Well, not exactly. Dogs pant to cool down, yes, but they actually sweat through their paws. Specifically, those little pads on the bottom. Panting helps regulate body temperature, but technically, the sweat glands are in the feet. So yeah, sweaty paws, not sweaty tongues. Mystery solved. Myth 6. Lemmings commit mass suicide. Okay, this one's weirdly dark. Lemmings commit mass suicide. Yeah, this myth took off thanks to a faked documentary in the 1950s. Seriously. A film crew literally threw lemmings off a cliff to stage the scene. Not cool. In reality, lemmings do migrate in large groups, and sometimes accidents happen, like falling off cliffs or drowning during swims. But it's not some coordinated, tragic march. It's just nature, not a Disney drama. Myth 7. Sharks can't get cancer. Here's one that sounds like it came from a weird supplement ad. Sharks can't get cancer. Yeah, false. Sharks can get cancer. Scientists have found tumors in multiple shark species. The myth likely came from a misinterpretation of early studies, and some folks ran with it to sell shark cartilage pills. Spoiler alert, they don't cure anything, except maybe your bank account, by emptying it. Myth 8. Bulls hate the color red, and last but not least, bulls hate the color red. Fun fact, bulls are actually colorblind to red. They react to the movement of the cape, not the color. So you could wave a bright green towel, and it would still get the same reaction. The whole red thing, that's more about tradition in bullfighting than animal psychology. So, how many of those did you believe? Don't feel bad. These myths have been floating around forever. But now you know the truth, and you can officially stop picturing goldfish as forgetful zombies or ostriches playing hide and seek with the dirt. If you enjoyed busting these myths, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which myth surprised you the most. Or better yet, do you know another animal myth we should investigate? Thanks for watching, and remember, always question what you know about nature. It might just be a myth.